Hello and welcome to the digital campus tour here in Wernigerode at Harz University of Applied Sciences. In 1991, about 30 years ago, this university was founded with only 75 students. Today, we are about 3,200 people studying and living in Wernigerode and in Halberstadt. This is the so-called Cup, and it's the #1 meeting place here on campus, and it's also the landmark of our university. Because this work of art is like a little fountain with water running through it, and it stands for our students' irrepressible thirst for knowledge. We have 3 faculties here: Administrative Sciences, Business Studies, and Automation and Computer Science. The last 2 are here in Wernigerode, and the Administrative Sciences is in Halberstadt. The building complex behind me houses several things at once. First, there are laboratories and seminar rooms for the Faculty of Automation and Computer Science. In addition, professors have their offices here, so students can visit them during working hours. The Faculty of Business Studies is the biggest, and many lectures and seminars take place in this building. We study here in a very family-like way, mostly 15 to 30 people. Our professors come directly from the practice and convey the subject matter in an authentic and exciting way. What is the most important thing in studying? That's right, drinking coffee and eating. That is why we have our Mensa here. But you can still get the best coffee in the Café au lait. This is our cafeteria. This is the Audimax, and it is the largest lecture hall at our university, and it can accommodate up to 250 students. It is located in the heart of former paper mill in Wernigerode, which is the current location for the Faculty of Automation and Computer Science. What is essential for a really intensive study? Library. More than 100,000 books can be picked up on site and can even be downloaded from our online catalog. In addition, this room offers a perfect quiet atmosphere to be able to work in a concentrated way. Besides so much of input, a good student life is also necessary, and we have that here. Our student council coordinates more than 15 initiatives that shows the diversity of interests and hobbies. There are volleyball and soccer tournaments, cooking evenings, discussion groups, and many other activities on the site. The best thing is, especially now in the summer, we also meet here on campus casually and spend time together. That's it from my side, and I was lucky enough to come here, and I would suggest you the same. Just come by and see for yourself.